Inshallah, today we have the first part of our mock test. Exercise number 1. Complete the triangle that has sides 6 inches, 6 inches, and 6 inches is called. What is the name of this triangle, ya Habiba? What is the kind of it? 6 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches.
Equilateral.
Yes, all its sides here are equal. It will be equilateral. طبعا يا جماعة, if you have the length of the sides, you will write the kind according to sides. The kinds according to length of sides, we have 3 kinds as we said before. Equilateral if all its sides are equal in length. Isosceles if we have only 2 equal sides. And scalene if we have 3 different sides. In this one, all its sides are equal. It will be equilateral triangle. Thank you, Habib. Number 2, the letter B. What is the name of this quadrilateral? يلا يا أمجد. Yes, يا عبد الرحمن. What is the name of this quadrilateral? Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, are you hearing me? طيب, Yusuf.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Yusuf. What is the name of this quadrilateral? Yusuf.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, يا حبيبي. Huh? This quadrilateral is called. Yes, يا ملك.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram. Thank you, يا ملك. Okay.
Mr. Can you hear me?
The next one. Yes, Aysel. The name of this solid is
Square prism.
rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. Because if the base is a square, it will be cube. But here the base is a rectangle. طيب, how many faces in this prism?
8.
8 faces. Sure? طيب, let's remember يا جماعة. We said in the prism to find the number of faces. Remember
Mr. I know.
طب listen يا جماعة, بس listen please. In the prism to find the number of faces, we add يا جماعة, listen please. Number of base sides plus 2. And to find the number of vertices, number of base sides multiply by 2. And to find the number of edges, number of base sides multiply by 3. For that here, Aysel, to find the number of faces, what we'll do?
Plus 2.
Yes. How many sides in the rectangle?
4.
4. 4
And
plus
this
2 equals 6 faces. We have 6 faces in the rectangular prism. Thank you, Ais. طيب, the next one. The first 5 multiples of the number 8. First 5 multiples. قول يا طناحي.
8
8. Okay.
16
16.
مستر
Hmm.
24
24. Hmm.
32
32
40
and 40. Thank you, Andrea. طيب. Letter E. All prime numbers are odd numbers except. Yes. ممدوح.
Mister, we don't write in D the 0.
It's not important because 0 is a multiple for all
Yes,
numbers. And you can start from
Okay.
8. No problem. Yes, يا ممدوح. All prime numbers are odd numbers except.
2
Except 2 because 2 is only even prime number. Thank you. Letter F. Salim. The number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by. Salim. Salim. Okay. Uday.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Uday. If the number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by what and what?
I know. 2 and 3.
2 and 3. Thank you, Uday. طيب. G. 3 out of 5 equals what out of 30? يلا ياسين ضويني.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, ياسين. ها. 3 out of 5 equals.
3 out of 5 equal
Firstly, how 5 will be 30?
multiply by 6.
Multiply by 6. For that also you multiply 3 by 6 equals?
3 multiply 6 equal 18.
Equals 18. Thank you, حبيبي. طيب. Yes, Sadat. 4 and 1 out of 7 is improper fraction.
As improper, 7 will be the denominator.
We write the denominator as the same 7 and then
7 multiplied by 4.
multiply denominator by whole number and then add the result to 1. 7 multiplied by 4.
Plus 1 equals 29.
Yes.
29.
28 plus 1 equals 29. It will be 29 out of 7. طيب. 20 out 45 out of 45 in its simplest form. In its simplest form. يلا يا عمرو.
Yes, Mister.
Yes يا حبيبي. 20 out of 45. Both of these numbers divisible by
5.
5. 5. Good. We divide by 5. 20 divided by 5 equals
4.
4. And 45 divided by 5 equals
9.
9. It will be 4 out of 9. Thank you, Amr.
Welcome.
طيب. Number 2. Find the result. Zain.
Yes.
Yes, يا زين. Number 1. 5 out of 8 plus 1 out of 4.
4 is divisible by 8 and you have to 8.
8 is divisible by 4. Not
8
4
is
divisible
divisible
by
by
8.
4.
8 is divisible by 4. For that we use 8 as a common denominator. Huh?
Back. What?
Then the first fraction. 8, the same 8 multiplied by?
5.
Yes, multiplied by 1. It will be 5. The same number here.
2.
The other one. How 4 will be 8?
2.
Multiply
Multiply
by
by
2.
2.
Then
2
you
multiply
multiply
by
1 by
1
2 equals 2. Add now.
2. The same. 8 is the same.
Our denominator is the same 8. And then 5
Yes.
plus 2 equals
7.
7. 7 out of 8. Thank you, Harry. Right. The next one. 9 minus 1 and 2 out of 7. Who can solve this one? Yasin Hisham? Yasin? Yasin? طيب يلا يا أيسن ها أيسن
You put 9.
9 minus 1 out and 2 out of 2 7.
9 is a mixed number.
Write 9 here.
Yeah.
Sure. I think in this case we borrow 1 from the whole number, from 9. It will be 8.
8.
And the one we borrowed, we write it as a fraction according to the denominator of the second mixed number. Here we have 7.
Then out of 7.
Yes, it will be 7 out of 7. And the second mixed number, all of it the same. This will be 1 and 2 out of 7. Subtract now. Whole numbers firstly. 8 minus 1 equals
7.
7. And then the fraction.
Then 7 minus 2 equal 5.
5.
7 will be the same.
And the denominator will be 7 the same. Thank you. Okay, the next one.
Mr. 1 minute.
حاضر. Okay. طيب number 2B. Number 2B.
Mr. Okay, Mr. I finish.
Okay.
Mr.
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Sorry?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes. أنا سلطان.
Yes.
Yes يا أنا.
Yes, Mister.
ريد يا حبيبي. ريد.
Merlin bought a book for 4 out of 9 and a compass for 1 out of 3. How much money did she pay?
طبعا here we have two amounts. To find the total money she paid, add 4 and 4 out of 9 plus 2 and third. Firstly
4
هنا
plus 2
concentrate يعني firstly we must make common denominator. Wait a second. We write here 4 and 2 and then what is the common denominator we use?
9 is divisible by 3.
Yes, excellent. We
So
use
we
9
have
as a common denominator. Okay, first one, 9, the same 9 multiply by
1
1. Multiply 4 by 1
equal 4.
4. And the other fraction. How 3 will be 9?
3 multiply 3
Excellent. Then you multiply 1 by 3 equals
equals 3.
3. Add now. 4 plus 2 equals
6
6. And our denominator is the same
is
9.
9.
Then 4 plus 3 equals
7.
7. Thank you. 6 and
No.
7 out of 9. طيب compare. يلا ياسين ياسين هشام يلا ياسين. Yes يا حبيبي. 3 out of 10 and 5 out of 9 which is greater? Make cross multiplication. 9 multiplied by 3 equals 27 and 10 multiplied by 3 well, 10 multiplied by 5 equals 50 which is greater? 50. Yes, 5 over 9. Then 5 out of 9 is more. The next one 9 and third 8 and 3 out of 7. Hey أمجد عبد الرحمن. Yes يا
1
حبيبي.
out of 3 meter.
9 طبعا here يا جماعة the two whole numbers are different. One of them 9 and the other is 8. Then 9 is more. طيب thank you عبد الرحمن. Choose the correct answer.
Mr. But if we make 3 multiply 3 will be 9 and 7 multiply
حبيبي
1
we
is
don't
7.
make this because here the whole numbers are different.
9 is bigger than 8.
9 is greater than 8. We don't need the fractions here because the whole
Yes.
numbers are different. We make this if the
Okay.
whole number is the same. Okay?
Okay, Mr.
Can you go up? Choose the correct answer. Number 3.
Mr. Can I answer?
Okay. The triangle that has side lengths 5 and 7 is called equilateral, isosceles, or scalene triangle.
Isosceles.
Here we have 2 equal sides. It will be isosceles triangle. Thank you. طيب number of faces of a square pyramid. Number of faces of the square pyramid. ملك. Concentrate. First, we will revise about this idea.
Multiply plus 1.
In the pyramid, to find the number of faces, number of base sides, plus 1.
Mr. Can you go up?
طب 1 second حاضر. Number of base sides plus 1 and vertices number of base sides also plus 1 and edges number of base sides multiplied by 2. طيب يلا يا ملك. How many faces in the square pyramid?
5.
Yes, in the square we have 4 sides. For that, to find the number of faces, we add 4 plus 1. It will be 5. Thank you يا ملك. The next يا جماعة.
Mister, can I make the next?
Okay. A triangle that has angle measures 45 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. Acute, right or obtuse triangle?
Right.
طبعا we have one right angle here يا جماعة. It will be right. If we have one right angle, it will be right triangle. If we have one obtuse angle, it will be obtuse triangle. If all its angles are acute, there is no right or obtuse, it will be acute triangle. طيب, what is the name of the following shape يا شباب? What is the name of this shape يا ريم؟ ريم يا ريم.
نعم.
Yes يا ريم. What is the name of this figure يا حبيبتي؟
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid. Thank you يا ريم.
You're welcome يا حبيبي يا مصر.
سابين. سابين. ممدوح.
Yes, Mister.
Yes يا ممدوح. The number 21 is prime or composite number?
Prime.
طيب, we said يا ممدوح the prime number is not divisible by any number except itself and 1. 21 not divisible by any number?
لا divisible. يبقى
Divisible
composite.
by, it's divisible by 3 and also divisible by 7. For that, it will be a composite number. Okay يا ممدوح. طيب, if the number is divisible by 10, if the last digit is يا عمرو.
0 يا مستر.
0 يا مستر. Thank you يا مستر عمرو. طيب, the prime number has how many factors? ياسين الضويني. ياسين.
Yes, Mister.
Yes يا حبيبي. The prime number has how many factors?
2.
Yes, only 2 factors. 1 and itself. It has only 2 factors. Thank you. طيب, now write the factors of the number 24. ياسين السادات. يلا يا ياسين. Factors of 24.
24 يبقى 1 multiplied by 24.
1 multiplied by 24.
2 multiplied by 12.
2 multiplied by 12.
3 multiplied by 8.
3 multiplied by 8.
4 multiplied by 6.
4 multiplied by 6. We have another?
No.
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 We have after
Because,
this 6 multiplied by 4, it's repeated. Then
Yes.
the factors are
1, 2, 3,
1,
4, 6, 8, 12, 24.
2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Thank you, Mr. Yasin. Okay.
You are welcome.
Number 4b يا جماعة. How we can find the unknown angle measure? In the first, we have parallelogram. طبعا, if you remember, we said in the parallelogram, each two opposite sides are equal in length and parallel, and each two opposite angles are equal in measure. طب, if I don't know this idea, what you will do? We said the sum of the measures of the angles of the quadrilateral equals
360.
Yes, 360. يعني here يا جماعة we can use the property each two opposite sides are each two opposite angles are equal in measure. For that, the unknown angle here is 47, like the opposite one. And also, we can use this idea. We can subtract 360 minus the sum of the given angles, 133 plus 133 plus 47. Then we add the three numbers firstly and then subtract, give you the same result. يبقى here we can use the property each two opposite sides are, each two opposite angles are equal in measure, and also we can use this one because the sum of the measures of the angles of the quadrilateral 360. طيب this triangle, huh? What is the sum of the measures of the angles of the triangle? Huh? Triangle. Unit 5. Triangle.
Can I answer stuff?
180. 180.
180. Then to find the unknown angle here, we subtract 180 minus
45.
90 because we have right angle here
90
plus
Yes.
45. We add first يا جماعة 90 plus 45
135.
135 and then subtract 180 minus 135 equals 45.
So missing angle is 45.
Yes, the missing angle here will be 45. يبقى the sum of the measures of the angles of the quadrilateral 360 and the sum of the measures of the angles of the triangle 180. إن شاء الله يا جماعة tomorrow we have the second part from the mock test إن شاء الله. Any question شباب؟
No, miss.
اوكي يا حبايبي see you tomorrow إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم.
Okay.